Hi students, welcome to my class. So in the last classes we are discussing the exercise number 1.3. Today we are going to continue the exercise 1.3. Okay students, in the next question number 3, third main, fourth question I will take. So given A3 is equal to 15 and S10 is equal to 125, find we have to calculate D and A10. Yes students, what they are given first, what we have to calculate. First, given A3 is equal to 15. Third main, fourth question. Okay. So A3 is equal to 15 and S10 is equal to 125. And we have to calculate D and A10. D is equal to question mark and A10 is equal to question mark. So that means, so what they are given first? A3. A3 can be written as, do you know that? Yes, A plus 2D. The general form of AB. It is equal to 15. Equation number 1. And then S10 can be written as, see here, S10 is equal to 125. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here n is equal to 10. S10 means Sn. N means 10. That means S10 it is equal to 10 by 2 into 2a plus 10 minus 1 into d. So n instead of 10 I will write 2a plus n means 10 minus 1 into d. And then S10 already given 125. I have substitute 125. It is equal to 2 ones are 2 5s are. So 5 is the remaining. Therefore 2a plus 10 minus 1 9. 9 into d 9d. And then 5 you have to send here 125. It become minus and remaining 2a plus 9d. So 125 minus 5. 120, it is equal to 2a plus 9d. So 2a plus 9d, it is equal to 120. Call it as number 2. Now solve equation number 1 and 2. We have to solve the pair of linear equations, simultaneous linear equations. These two are equations. So we have to find the a and d value among these two equations. Then we can get the A10. First we have to solve the first and second equations. Solve 1 and 2. Equation number 1 and 2. What is the equation number 1? A plus 2d it is equal to 15 and secondly 2a plus 9d it is equal to 120. Here students, in the pair of linear, when you are solving the pair of linear equations, whether it is a first term or second term are equal, but here first term is also not equal, second term is also not equal. I mean first variable is also not equal, second variable is also not equal. So we have to make it the equal. How? By the multiplication. These equations, here a term is 2. What we have to multiply 2a, then we can get the 2a. Yes, we have to multiply by 2. This equation is multiplied by 1. Okay, 2 into a. The whole equations is multiplied by 2. Okay students? Yes. 2 into a, 2a plus 2 into 2, 4, 4d, it is equal to 15 2s are 30. And then second equations you have to write as it is. 2a plus 9d it is equal to what? 120. Yes students, now we have to subtract it. So we have to change your sign. So 2a get cancelled. 4d here minus 9d minus 5d. 9 minus 4 5d. Negative number is, so bigger number is negative. It is equal to minus 120 minus 30. So minus 100 minus 90. Then minus minus get cancelled. D is equal to 90 by 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. Remaining 4, 44. 5 8s are 40. Therefore, D is equal to 18. D value 18 we will get. Now we have to find the A value. So what is the value of A? Now from 1 or 2. We can take any one of the equation, whether it is a 1 or 2. I will take first equation. That equations D value you have to substitute in the equation number 1. So what is the A? We have to calculate plus 2. D means 18. It is equal to 15. Yes, A as it is 18 2s are 36. It is equal to 15. So A is equal to 15 plus 36 is become minus 36. So therefore A is equal to, so 36 minus of 15. So firstly we have to subtract 36 minus of 10, 26, and then 26 minus of 5, 21. Therefore minus 100 and minus 21. This is the first term. So D already calculated, and A10 we have to calculate. So A10 it is equal to A plus 9D. Okay students, A plus 9D. Yes, A means minus 21 plus 9 into D means 18. D means 18. We have to substitute. So minus 21 plus 18 9s are 162. Now we have to subtract it. 162 minus of 21. So 2 minus of 1, 1. 6 minus of 2, 4. 141 minus 141. Here 10 is minus 141. So like this we have to calculate. Are you understand students? Yes. Next one. Secondly, fifth question in your textbook, as it is there, as it is in the fourth question, you have to do in your home. I will go to the sixth question. So sixth question, given A is equal to 2, D is equal to 8. A is equal to 2, D is equal to 8. Sorry, A is equal to 2, D is equal to 8, and Sn is equal to 90. Sn is equal to 90, and we have to calculate N and An. N is equal to question mark and An is also question mark. Yes. First, they are given Sn. If it is the Sn means we have to do the Sn formula. We have to apply the Sn formula. Means sum of the nth term of an AP. So this is the sixth question, number 6. Okay, students. Sn they are given. Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus 2A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the formula of Sn, of nth term of an AP, sum of the nth term of an AP. Yes, Sn is equal to 90. It is equal to n means we have to calculate n by 2 into 2. A means 2 plus n means we have to calculate n minus of 1 into D means 8. Yes, student. Next, so we have to crossly we have to multiply 2 into 90, 180, 90 into 2, 180. It is equal to n into 2 2s are 4 plus n minus of 1 into D means 8 into n, 8n minus of 8 into 1, 8. Next, student, 180, it is equal to n into 4 and minus 8. So 8n as it is right on, 8 minus of 4, it become minus 4. Then 180, it is equal to, do one thing students, you have to take out the common factor here. It is very simple. So n into, the common factor is 4. So remaining is 2. 4 2s are 8, n minus of 1. 4 1s are 4. Then this 4 we have to send here. So 180, 4 it will come here means divided by 4, it is equal to n into 2n minus of 1 remaining. 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16, 4 4s are 16, 2 remaining 20, 4 5s are 20, 45 is become. So 45 is equal to n into 2n, 2n square minus of n into 1 n. Now 45 I have to send here. That means 2n square minus of n. 45 will come here means minus 45. It is equal to 0. Now this is 2n square minus of n minus of 45. It is equal to 0. It is one of the quadratic equation. This equation we have to solve by the factorization method, by splitting the middle term. Do you know in the last year classes we have learnt the factorization of the middle, splitting the middle term. So we have to solve that. 2n square minus 1 minus n minus 45 is there. Here 45 into 2 we have to multiply that. So it becomes what? Minus 45 2s are 90, minus 90. If you are multiply minus 90, if you add minus 1. If you add or subtract, it become minus 1. Or if you are multiply, that product is become minus 90. What is the number? 10 nines are. Yes. 10 into 9. 10 into 9, 90. 10 nines are 90. 10 minus of 9, 1. Yes. This is minus, this is plus. Minus into plus, minus. So this is n and this is also n. This is n, this is n square. So, very simple terms, minus 10n and plus 9n are the roots of the quadratic equation. So we have to apply here 2n square minus of 10n plus 9n. So minus n instead of, I will write minus 10n plus 9n, remaining minus 45, it is equal to 0. And then take out the common factor, minus 2 I will take, 2n you should take, n is also common. So remaining n minus 2 already gone, n square minus 1 time of n minus 5, n minus of 5 plus, we have to take out the 9 is the common factor, remaining n minus of 5. 9 5 is 45, it is equal to 0. So finally, n minus of 5, we have to common factor here. So remaining 2n plus 9, it is equal to 0. n minus of 5, n minus of 5, one time you have to write, and remaining 2n plus 9, it is equal to 0. So then lastly, this term is equating to 0 and this is also equating to 0. We have to equate this individually. So n minus of 5, it is equal to 0, or 2n plus 9 is equal to 0. 2n plus 9, it is also equal to 0. Now n it is equal to minus 5, it will come here, plus 5. And 2n it is equal to minus 9 and n is equal to minus 9 by 2. So n cannot, so number of term, it cannot be in the express of minus form or negative form. So we cannot consider it. We have to disqualify that. So we have to consider the n is equal to 5 only. Therefore n is equal to 5 is the final answer. So first n already calculated. Next we have to calculate an. So an means an is equal to a plus n minus of 1 into d. Yes, students. So an we have to calculate. N means 5. A5 is equal to, a means already given 2 plus 5 minus of 1. N means 5 minus of 1. B means what? 8. Now 2 plus 5 minus of 1, 4. 4 8s are 32. So 32 plus of 2, 34. This is A5. This is an. So therefore, so this is n is equal to 5 and an is equal to 34 in the given question. I understand, students? Yes. So next question number 7. What is the 7th question? Given a is equal to 8 and an is equal to 62. Sn they are given 210. Find the value of n and d. Same, but little bit different is there. So what is an a? So given a is equal to 8, an is equal to 62. A is equal to 8. A is equal to 8. Question number what? Question number 7. A is equal to 8 and an is equal to 62. And then Sn is equal to 210, and then find the value of n and d. N is equal to question mark and d is also question mark. Yes, student, a is equal to 8 and first term. A means first term. This is first term and an is equal to 62. This is last term. First term and the last term they are given. First term, last term sum they are given 210. Okay, that Sn, the first term and last term they are given means we have to use the Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. Very simple formula. Because they are given first term and the last term and the sum also given. So we have to use the Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. Okay students, this is l, this is last term, this is first term. Okay, Sn they are given 210. It is equal to n means we have to calculate by 2 into a means 8. A is the first term, l means last term means 62. Next student, so we have to send here what become 210 into 2, 420. 210 into 2, 420. N into 62 plus of 8, 70. 70. Next students, 70 have to send here, 420 divided by 70, it is equal to n. 0, 0 get cancelled, 7 ones are 7, 6 are 42, therefore n is equal to 6. N is equal to 6. N is calculated. Then we have to calculate d. Yes, d if you want means, see here, Sn is equal to formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now we have to use this formula because of we have to calculate the d value. In this formula d is nothing is there, but d in this formula d is there. So therefore we have to use this formula. Sn same 210. It is equal to n means 6. 6 by 2 into 2 into a means 8 plus of n means same 6 minus of 1 into d. So 2 ones are 2 3s are. So 210 it is equal to 3 into 8 2s are 16 plus 6 minus of 1 5. 5 into d 5d. Next 3 have to send here students. 210 if it is come means divided by 3, not minus 3, be careful. It is equal to 16 plus 5d. Then we have to divide it, 3 ones are 3 sevens are 70 is become. So 70 plus 16 if it is come here minus 16, it is equal to 5d. And 70 minus of 16, 17 minus of 16 it becomes 54. 10 minus of 6 is 4 and 7 minus of 1, 6 minus of 1 is 5, 54. It is equal to 5 by d. Therefore d is equal to 554 divided by 5. So here first Sn they are given what? 210 n by 2 into a means 8 plus 62. 62 plus of 8 70 and n you have to write 210 into 2 420. So 0 cancel, 7 6 are 42, therefore n is equal to 6. This value we have to substitute here. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 210 it is equal to what? 6 by 2, 2 ones are 2 3s are 8 2s are 16, 6 minus of 1 5 into d 5d. And then finally 3 have to send here, 3 ones are 3 sevens are 21, so 70 is the remaining. 16 you have to send here, it becomes 54. So 5d as it is, d is equal to 54 divided by 5. Understand students? So like this we have to calculate here. And then question number 9. Given a is equal to 3 and n is equal to 8, s is equal to 182, find the value of d as it is in the question number 7. So you have to calculate, but in these questions we have to use this formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so that's why you have to do in your home. I will go to the question number 4. What is the question number 4? How many terms of the AP 9, 17, 25, dot 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 must be taken to give a sum of 636. Okay students, so here what they are given, how many terms of the AP, how many terms means n is equal to question mark, what is the AP? So question number what? Question number 4th main 9 comma 17 comma 25 comma dot dot dot. The sum is what? 636. In this equation AP, the sum is equal to 636. We have to calculate the how many terms of the AP, means n is equal to question mark. We have to calculate given what? N is equal to question mark and A is equal to what? 9 and D is equal to 17 minus of 9, it become D is equal to 8, 17 minus of 9 is equal to 8 and A is given, N is given, then we have to calculate, D is given and sum they are given, Sn is equal to what? 636. Now we have to find the how many terms of an AP 9, 17, 25 must be taken to the given sum is 636. So this is continuing this AP, but how many terms we have to sum it, it becomes 636. We have to calculate the value of n. Yes students, Sn is equal to formula, they are given Sn, therefore Sn we have to use this formula, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Yes student, Sn 636, it is equal to n we have to calculate divided by 2, it is equal to 2 into a means 9 plus n means we have to calculate minus 1 into d means what? 8. Yes, 636 we have to send here 2, it become into 2, it is equal to n into 2, 9 2 is 18 plus n minus 1, 8 into n, sorry, we have to multiply it, 8 into n 8 and minus of 8. Okay students, next 2 6 are 12, carry 1, 2 3 are 6 plus 1, 7, 2 6 are 12, 1272. It is equal to n into 18 minus of 8, 18 minus of 8 is 8 and is written 18 minus of 8 is plus 100, 10, 18 minus of 8 is plus 10 and then 1272, it is equal to, we have to multiply it, what, otherwise we have to take out the common factor among these two numbers. So what is the common factor? 2 is the common factor, remaining 2 4s are 8, 4n plus 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8n. Okay students, if I have to send 2 here, 1272 divided by 2, it is equal to n into 4n plus of 5. Next students, we have divided 2 1s are 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12, 636. 636 it is equal to, so n into 4n, 4n square plus 5n. 4n square plus of 5n. Now 4n square plus 5n, 636 it becomes minus 636, it is equal to 0. Now this 636 into 4, so here 636 into 4. So again same, n we have to calculate means we have to do the factorization of this equation. This is a quadratic equation. So 636 into 4, 4 6 are 12, 1 carry, sorry, 4 6 are 24, 4 2 carry, 4 3 are 12, 12 plus up to 14, 1 carry, 4 6 are 24 plus 1 25, 2544. So if you are multiply, 2544 is coming. Otherwise, if you are add or subtract, it becomes plus 5n. So if you want the roots, we have to do the what? Factorization of this number. Okay students, what is that? 2 is given, 2 1s, 2, it is going from 2, 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, 1 remaining, 2 7s are 14, 2 sevens are 14 means again 2 twos are 4. Next 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, 2 6 are 12. Again 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. Next again 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, remaining 1, 11 become, 2 5s are 10, again 1 become, 2 9s are 18, 159 is become, but 2 is not going. So 9 plus 1, 10, 3 is going, 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9. Okay, 53 is the last final. 53 is not going from any number because of 53 is the prime number. Therefore, 53 ones are 53. Now we have to make it the group. See students. So what is the group? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 16, 16 is the 48. These number one of the group and 53 is the one group. So 16 is the 48 and this is 53. 48 and 53 we have to subtract it. You will get 5. If you are multiply 53 into 48, so you will get the 2544. Therefore, so the roots are very simple. What? Plus 5n, this is 2544. That means, so I will take 50, 48 and 53. So plus 53, this is minus. This is also minus, I think. Yes, minus 2544. This is n and this is n. This is n square. Okay, students. Very simple. Yes. You will get the roots. We have to apply here 4n square plus minus 48n plus 53n minus of 636. It is equal to 0. Now we have to take out the common 4n. I will take remaining n minus 12. 12 4s are 48. Then plus 5. No, not a 5 common factor. Common factor is 5 plus 5n here. N is the common factor. No, n is also not common factor. 1 is the common factor. Remaining 53n. This is 53n. Therefore, I will take 53 is the common factor. Remaining n minus of 12. It is equal to 0 because 53 we have to divide it 636. 53 we have to take out the 53 into 53 ones are 53. Remaining 10. 3 minus of 3 0. Okay, 6. Next 53 2s are 106. So 12. Therefore, I will take 12. 53 into 12, 636. 53 into n, 53n. Plus into minus. Okay, students. Now, n minus 12 and n minus 12, we have to take out the common. N minus of 12 into 4n plus 53. 4n plus 53, it is equal to 0. N minus of 12 is equal to 0 or n minus of 12 is equal to 0 or 4n plus 53, it is equal to 0. So 4n is equal to minus 53. So n is equal to minus 53 divided by 4. So n value, it does not take it as a minus 53 divided by 4 because of the n terms. It does not exist the negative term. Therefore, n is equal to, so minus 12 it is coming plus 12. Therefore, n is equal to 12. So n is the positive number. Therefore, n is equal to 12 in the given question. Understand, students? So like this we have to solve it. And then question number 5. I will go into the question number 5. Yes. What is the given question number 5? Yes, the first term of an AP is 5. The last term is 45. Sum is 400. Find the number of terms and the common difference. Yes, students. First term they are given. First term is equal to A is equal to 5. And the last term is 45. That means L is equal to 45. Last term. And sum is given 400. Sn is equal to 400. Now sum is 400. Find the number of terms and the common difference. So number of terms n is equal to question mark, and also we have to calculate d. Yes, students. See here, the first term and the last term they are given. Therefore, Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l formula. We have to use it. Sn what? 400. It is equal to n means we have to calculate divided by 2 into a means first term is 5 plus 45 is the last term, and 400 into otherwise 400 is equal to n by 2 as it is you have to write into 45 plus of 5 50. Now 0 0 get cancelled. 0 0 get cancelled. We have to multiply 2 into 40 80. 40 into 2 80. It is equal to 5n. Okay. Now 5 ones are 5. Remaining is 3 30. 5 6 are 30. Therefore n is equal to 16. So yes, friends. First, I will take the n by 2 as it is. I will write these two. I will add it 50. This 0 will be cancelled because of in between there is no any plus or negative sign. Therefore, I will cancel to numerator of the LHS side and the RHS side. And remaining 2 I will send here. It will become multiply 40 into 2 80. It is equal to 5n. Then 5 I will divided by 280. So 5 16s are. So n it is equal to 16. Now we have to calculate the value of d. So that formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Yes, students, Sn saying 400. It is equal to n by n means already calculated 16 by 2 into 2 means a means 5 plus of 16 minus of 1 into d. Now students, 2 ones are 2 8s are. So 400 it is equal to 8 into 2 5s are 10 plus 16 minus of 1 15. 15 into d 15 d. Next students, 8 ones are 8, 8 5s are 40, 0, 50 is the remaining. 50 it is equal to, so 15, 10 plus of 15d, we have to write as it is. 10 here to send here, it become 50 minus of 10, it is equal to 5d, sorry 15d, and 50 minus of 10, it become 40, 40 is equal to 8 ones are 8 5s are 40, remaining 0, so it becomes 50. So 2 5s are 10, 15 into d 15d. So 10 here to here, 10 it will come here means minus 10. So 50 minus of 10 is equal to 40. So it is equal to 15d. So d. So students, 15 minus of 10 is equal to 15d. So 40 is equal to 15d. Now 15d is equal to 40. No problem. D is equal to 40 by 15. So 3 5s are 5 3s are 15, 5 8s are 40. Therefore D is equal to 8 by 3. Okay, students. In the next, this is the D value and this is the N value. In the next question number 8th question is there. So as it is in the question number 5, you have to do your home. Okay, students. Thank you.